Welcome exam students of HAVO 5 and VWO 6. Welcome to this exam question about this man. And no, it's not me. It is Karl Marx, one of the most famous philosophers of the 20th century and even for our time. He thought of Marxism. Communism was inspired by him, and also socialism was inspired by Karl Marx. We're talking about the exam of 2025, and we're talking about Pregunta 19. Los papia tocante Pregunta 19. Yeah? By Karl Marx. Goodbye. We'll see you later, just in a few seconds. What is the question? Gebruik bron 6, but first part A, a bit confusing, I know, zonder bron. Geef aan wat Karl Marx verstaat onder de dictatuur van het proletariaat. What does he mean by this? Kiko etabatakumen kuese. What is he trying to tell us? Kiko etabatakumen kuese. What is he trying to tell us by naming something the dictatuur van het proletariaat? Let's go to the answer. And you don't need to search for this. Karl Marx zei, volgens Marx, according to Marx, the factory workers, the proletariërs, would rise up, in opstand komen. En de factory workers, de proletariërs, zijn de mensen die werken in de fabrieken. They do the hard labor. Ja, ze moeten hard werken elke dag. En ze komen in opstand. So Marx said, de fabrieksarbeiders komen in opstand. They will rise up. Lantamento grandi di trabajador di fabrikanan. Ja, de factory workers. En vervolgens zouden zij de macht overnemen, tome poder, van de kapitalisten, oftewel ook wel genaamd de bourgeoisie. They would take over power of the capitalists, also known as the bourgeoisie. The bourgeoisie are the people with power. They have a lot of wealth. They smoke cigars, wear fancy suits. They own all the factories. They pay all the workers, but also they collect all the ganache, lang de collecta, tur ganache, tocante e fabricanan. They collect all the profit coming from all the factories. The factory workers would rise up and take over power from the capitalists, from the bourgeoisie that you see over there with the high hat. I call him the monopoly man, because the monopoly man is the most famous capitalist of the world.